Hey guys, I just wanted to let you guys know that and I know that pretty much nobody watches this channel. Nobody really likes my videos. I've only got one person who actually, you know, likes my videos and stuff like that. And that is JetForce42. Yeah. And actually, I'm going to terminate the entire cough series. It's kind of gone a little off track. I haven't really gotten anything. It's gone too far, I guess you could say. Well, this sucks. Well, anyways, I'm gonna start a new show. It'll be a new series because I found my other cough related thing. Yes, I know I look like alfalfa with this thing on. Hold on. That's better. Anyways, I found my other cough related thing, so I'll be starting a new series later on. See ya.